So I don't know if you've noticed, but we have a new app, and literally whatever your domain is, it is this domain afterwards. So I just went to her website and just copied that. And this is your new website to be able to download an app. Somebody just enters their cell, their email, and go ahead and send this app, which is really cool. So do it to yourself so you can check it out. I want to show you how to add this to your website. So we're going to come back over into your BoldTrail. We're going to go to Web and IDX. Make sure if you're team leader admin that you have the correct scope. It is individual. So we're going to go ahead and create a custom page. I'm going to come up here to advanced options, and I'm going to just add home app. Select a category. If you don't have one, you'll need to add one. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in resources. We're not going to make this a drop down, but I am just going to add this to the top navigation when I'm done. Here is when you get this link, we need to copy this and add it right there. So then I can go ahead and hit save, and we'll go ahead and publish it. Once we're done publishing it, we're going to go back to our Web and IDX, because now we're going to be in our website settings, and we're going to go to our navigation bar, custom navigation. Here's all the different categories we already have set up. We get 4. So whether we're doing categories to give you the most pages or an individual page. So here I am just going to select home app and click save. And then we'll see that pop up. And we'll see here's her information now. We're going to go ahead and hit refresh. So we'll be able to see our home app up here. Now we have our home app. So now somebody can come over here and download your app. So that's as easy as you can be. Just add it as a link, add it to the home page, and you are good to go for your new home app. And make sure to add this to yourself. If you have a different cell number or email address other than what is in the system, that would probably work the best. But check it out. Can't wait to see what you guys do. Thanks, guys.